Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your PC or Mac. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll guide you through simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Click the first link in the description below. It will take you to Adobe's official website. Step 2. Choose your country from the list. Then click on Start Free Trial. Step 3. You'll see three options: individual, business, and students and teachers. If you're using it on a single device, go with the individual plan. This gives you a 14-day free trial of Premiere Pro, plus a 30-day free trial of Adobe Stock. Click Continue to move ahead. Step 4. Enter your email address, then click Continue. Now fill in your name and payment details. Click on Agree and Subscribe. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends. Step 6. Now click the second link in the description below. It will take you to the Creative Cloud download page. Download and install the Creative Cloud app on your computer. Step 7. Open the Creative Cloud app and log in using the same email address. Go to the Apps section, find Premiere Pro, and click Install. And that's it. You've successfully installed Adobe Premiere Pro and can now use it for free during your trial period. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.